EK160 is an electrosurgical equipment designed to deliver current for monopolar cut, soft coagulation, forced coagulation, and bipolar coagulation. Around the unit, a space of 25 cm at least must be left. Connect the main cable to the main socket on the back panel of the unit. Connect the single foot pedal to the pedal connector on the back panel. When the unit is switched on by using on-off switch on the front panel, it will check the internal parameters. It will run with the function and the power level during the last utilization. When the unit is switched on for the first time, the level will be 0. This is the point of connection for the neutral electrode to apply on the patient. Remember that the neutral electrode can be either disposable or reusable. The neutral electrode circuit is continually checked by a special circuit, skin plate electronic control. Connect the electrode holder. To modify the emission acoustic signal, it is necessary to follow those indications. Switch on the unit by the main switch while the cut push button is pressed. When the unit finishes checking the internal parameters, on the display the SOU message appears, while on the coag 1 the value of preset level. Now the cut push button can be released. The deliverable current for the surgical operations can have preselected through push button 4. By pushing the yellow button, you can deliver cut current, and by pushing the blue one, you can deliver coagulation current. In case of using the foot switch, the foot switch button will deliver the chosen current. The best current for the cut is the pure sinusoidal wave without modulation, that means with duty cycle 100%. Such current proper for cut without coagulation. The coagulated cut current blend is suitable for coagulated cut when a deep coagulation together with the cut is desired. This current is made by a sine current suited for the low voltage cut together with coagulation, soft coag. With this blending, a current for a cut coagulated in absence of scar and carbonization is obtained, particularly suitable for endoscopic surgery. The modulated current, forced coag, is characterized by good property of surface coagulation behaving at the time its probable production of scar and partial carbonization of the tissue. The advantage of this type of coagulation resides in the rapidity with which the effect is gotten. The low voltage and low modulation current, soft coag, is suited for coagulation of deep layers of the tissue in which the coagulation of the cellular albumin is held in absence of carbonization and without production of scar. In this case, the process of coagulation is longer than the forced coagulation. This current is low voltage pure sine current suitable for coagulation without carbonization, either monopolar or bipolar. The use of bipolar forceps is allowed only. The use of bipolar forceps is allowed only with this current. To allow the connection of the cable for bipolar forceps, it is necessary to use of an optional adapter that prevents any other type of current from delivering. Connect the optional adapter. The equipment will select the bipolar operative mode. To deliver the current, press the foot switch. To avoid the forceps damage, don't make short circuit with its tips. If the operator exceeds the maximum time of disbursement recommended by the international norms, that is 10 seconds, The equipment produces a signal of warning consisting of bright intermittent signal OVT. And despite the signal of warning, if the operator insists on continue, after a time, depending on the type and the level of the current delivery is impedimented and the signal OVT constantly illuminated. The interdiction lasting of the current delivery depends on the previous conditions of delivery.